Thin keyboard protectors from Compucover is a super thin protective cover for desktop, laptop, or notebook computers, cash registers, telephones, cellular phones, remote controls, medical equipments and any other electronic equipment with keys. Nargle brand antimicrobial protectors is a new invention, which is antibacterial as well as antivirus, which is tested for its properties at government-certified test labs. The Make in India is a good initiative, but at this juncture there are a lot of hurdles and we feel that the government should undertake adequate steps to streamline the manufacturing issues and ease the operations so that manufacturers can start manufacturing in an efficient manner. Says Mr. Manoj Khanna, Director Compucover PVT Ltd. For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.